Hello everyone, welcome back to the channel. So today I'm going to tell you how to buy storage on iPhone. If you want to buy more storage on iPhone, so you just need to follow these steps. First, open your mobile settings, and here you'll get an option of your ID. You just have to tap on it. And now here's the second option is iCloud. You just have to tap on it. And now here you can see your phone storage or iCloud storage. Now tap on it. And here you have another option which is get more storage. You have to select it. Just tap on it, and now here you will show a package plan of your storage. Here you can see a lot of options, so you can select anyone and then tap on upgrade to iCloud. And after that you have to enter your credit card or debit card to subscribe this. So that's how you can get more storage on iPhone. Thank you very much for watching the video. Until next video, bye bye.